Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before I start today's session, so I would like to thank all the subscribers, existing subscribers, for because we recently crossed 10,000 subscribers milestone, and we are fast heading towards the next milestones. Thanks guys everyone for your support, and please please subscribe and turn on all notifications, guys. Those who subscribed, and please turn on all notifications so that you'll get updates on the new batches as well as free demo sessions and free trainings. And by the way, we recently started our Instagram page very recently. I think in November or around November or October we started Instagram page, and we are heading towards 500 followers over here. So we are daily posting a lot of openings, referral openings, and as you can see here, collected through various sources. Okay, so we are collecting through various sources and posting over here regarding referral openings or recruitment drives, walk-in drives, etc., and new batch updates. Not only in performance testing, we are posting some openings, in our associate QA companies and consultancies, in automation testing and Java as well, development side as well. So whatever openings we come across, we are posting it on my Instagram page. Yes, please follow our Instagram page. Yeah. Now coming to today's session, so I would like to explain the or I would like to take you through the uh, performance testing openings, guys. Okay. So because we often hear this from students saying that there are no openings, no calls, but that is not the fact, guys. You can see here, performance testing openings are like never before, ever after. Okay. So you see, this is the email that I received today, and you can see how many openings are there for performance testing. So, and see, you can see around like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Experian 5, Polysil 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 companies. Guys. There are openings in 16 companies in just Naukri itself. Imagine how many openings would be there through LinkedIn and other sources, Indeed, LinkedIn, and other sources. Okay. So I'll quickly take you through each of these openings, guys. Right. So you can see here, first let me go one by one, and let me explain you, give a walkthrough of the openings, current openings. There are 4 openings in Vikruti Technologies, as you can see here, Chennai-based company, and simple JD, regular JD, and what are they looking for? I'm just looking for execution of performance tests, including load stress and scalability testing, monitor and analyze system performance metrics. Very common JD, right? Very common and regular JD. And these are, good thing is there are, they are okay with 2 to 6 years experience, right? So please don't miss to apply this. And let me go to the next one. So senior performance test engineer, maybe 5 plus. Yeah. Oh, okay. So 3 to 5 years, right? And this is for, NHOPS, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Yeah, both Hyderabad and Bangalore. Job location would be both Hyderabad, maybe either Bangalore or Hyderabad. And let us go through the JD, guys. They are looking for BTech graduate with 3 to 5 years of experience in performance testing, web app and web mobile and ABS. JMeter, they are looking for JMeter and BlazeMeter, right? So when you say BlazeMeter, this is not, many people get confused, or, some people get confused, assuming that, this is BlazeMeter plugin for Chrome browser. No, that is not at all, they are not looking for, that Chrome plugin base. So there is, just like how LoadRunner is having performance center, we have something called BlazeMeter. Let me quickly explain that, which we cover that in the training materials. Please give me a moment. Yeah, in the comparison between LoadRunner and JMeter slide, I mentioned it clearly. So just like LoadRunner is having performance center, so you can execute JMeter scripts with the help of BlazeMeter. Web interface, BlazeMeter web interface. So basically, BlazeMeter is a web interface where you can execute JMeter scripts, Gatling scripts, etc., Selenium scripts, etc. And we, recently I did one session on BlazeMeter. So, okay, we did 3 sessions, guys. BlazeMeter is not about, that Chrome plugin for BlazeMeter plugin for Chrome, right? So let me search for that master BlazeMeter performance system. Just give me a moment, guys. So I did some free sessions on this. Please go through this. Yes, here it is. BlazeMeter performance testing. There are 3 videos on this, guys. As you can see here, there are 3 videos. So in the description, okay, I will add the link to the, playlist URL in the description. Okay, I will add this after this, going through the openings, guys. Let me go through the other openings. Okay. So as you can see here, they are looking for BlazeMeter, Neoload, or Gatling, right? And ability to understand agile methodologies, blah blah blah, familiarity with CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, or continuous development and deployment. CI/CD stands for, right? So this is a simple concept which you can learn in 2 or 3 hours. Okay, not more than that, right? And of course, as they are asking for 5 years experience, they are asking for, all these New Relic, Datadog, etc. Perfmon is a basic tool which everyone knows, right? So apart from that, we cover some other monitoring tools. Perfmon is a very basic tool. We also cover Nmon and Java Melody for monitoring, and a couple of other open source tools like InfluxDB, Grafana in our training. So, and they are looking for someone who is having experience on load, smoke, endurance, spike test, and see, regular JD, quite regular JD. Now let me go through the, third opening. SLK software. Yes, one of our previous batch student got selected for this recently, and he joined as well. In the month of Feb, I think Feb or Jan, he joined. He completed his, now him by this time he should have completed this his 2 months or 3 months probation period also. Okay, so they are looking for LoadRunner and JMeter. This is for 5 to 7 years, of course. This is for 5 to 7 years, Bangalore-based company. Yes, and then yeah, you can go through the JD here. The reason why I am explaining this is, we often hear this from some people saying that, there are no openings, no openings. That is not the actual situation, guys. If you see my Instagram page itself, Quintelly has conducted, like 5 recruitment drives. They had conducted 5 recruitment drives in a span of 2 months, starting from February to March, right? You can see here, this is the latest, recruitment drive conducted by Quintelly for LoadRunner. This requirement is for LoadRunner. And, now here is the question, why Quintelly had to conduct 5 drives for just 20 openings? Actually, they were having 20 openings from the month of Jan, right? But it took 4 drives for them to fill the positions. The reason is everyone, joined JMeter training, and everyone is after JMeter. And it has become, very tough for companies to find LoadRunner resources. And you can see here, this is the 9th recruitment drive on 9th March conducted by Quintelly. And how many openings you see here? 10 openings here. Let me show you the first recruitment drive from Quintelly. I think this is the first recruitment drive. Yeah, Quintelly, 10 openings. This is in Feb. Let me go to the first opening that we, shared on my Insta page. Please give me a moment, guys. Initially, they had 20 openings and they conducted 5 recruitment drives till month of March, right? And some of you might have already attended that Quintelly also. And Quintelly interview is not so tough. It's a regular interview. Only thing is that they looked for someone who is good in scripting. That's it. Okay. They're not even asking someone who is good in, monitoring and analysis. Their requirement is for someone who is good in scripting, right? Very good with regular expressions and all this, right? LoadRunner functions and all this, right? So those who attended, Quintelly interview, please share your experience in the comment section. You can see here, I think this is the first drive. Okay, I think, initially they had 20 openings, guys. That I am very sure about that. Okay, so I think this is the first drive on Jan 24th. Yes, this is the first recruitment drive on Jan 24th that they published, and we shared it on our Insta page. And let me show the other recruitment drives. So here it is. This is, I think this is the next one. Yes. quintally. And there are 20 openings, guys. I know, I still remember very well that, they had initially 20 openings. Anyways, so, and out of those only, like, they are able to fill hardly 10 to 15 positions only, right? They released offer letters for only 10 to 15 positions. Still, they are having, 5 to 10 more openings, guys, for LoadRunner, particularly for LoadRunner, guys. Okay. And we always, if you watch any of my demo sessions, I always say that, learn both LoadRunner and JMeter, particularly those who want to keep 3+ years of experience. You only JMeter would not be sufficient, guys. I can say for that for 100% sure, right? So I'm not asking you to join our training, join anywhere, but, but learn both the tools. Okay, whether you join my training or, someone else, learn both LoadRunner and JMeter. Those, particularly those who want to try with 3+ years of experience. Okay, LoadRunner, JMeter, BlazeMeter are mandatory nowadays. Yes. Okay, BlazeMeter is a small tool. You can learn for free on my YouTube channel, or, you can learn it from any other sources as well, right? So you can, I will share this BlazeMeter free sessions in the description part of this video, guys. Today's video. Now let me go through the, go back to the openings, guys. So performance engineer for Accenture. Accenture is having a lot of openings. Again, this is, I heard that this is for LoadRunner and both LoadRunner and JMeter, guys. Okay. Of course, they are asking here must have skills as Microsoft 365. You can ignore this because that is mandatory for their requirement. Okay. But the primary requirement is for LoadRunner, JMeter, and Gatling. LoadRunner, JMeter. So mostly, if you do exceptionally well with LoadRunner and JMeter, yes, there is a very chance, there are high chances that you will be selected, though you don't have Microsoft 365. Trust me, it's very difficult to find someone who is having experience on Microsoft 365, right? But if you do very good in LoadRunner and JMeter interview rounds, definitely you will be selected. The position is for indoor office, it seems. Again, there will be very less competition, ideal for, bachelors. And then if you see the other openings, yes, CGI is having a lot of requirement, right? And LoadRunner and NeoLoad experience, must have LoadRunner NeoLoad experience. Now here is the question, guys. So what if you don't have NeoLoad experience? Nothing to worry, you can still apply because there are very less resources who are having NeoLoad experience. So even if you have, LoadRunner experience or LoadRunner, you are trained on LoadRunner, yes, you can attempt. Okay, sorry, this is 5 to 6 years, guys. But, generally speaking, even though you don't have NeoLoad experience, you can apply if it is for 3 to 5 years experience. Of course, for 5 to 6, I don't recommend to, for trained candidates to apply. I cannot recommend trained candidates to apply. But someone who is having 2 years genuine experience and, if you feel that you can manage 5 years experience, yes, you can apply, right? And let me go back to the Naukri email and senior quality performance engineer. And let me go open couple of emails. Accenture, right? Again, 5 to 10 years. You can ignore these 5 to 10 years. Those who are, not having any genuine experience, better don't apply for this. But however, like if anyone is having like uh, 2 to 3 years of genuine experience, and if you believe that you are strong enough to manage, yes, you can apply. You know that obviously. Okay, it's taking some time. Let me open few more, guys. VMware Bangalore. So what is this requirement all about? 1 second, guys. Yeah, VMware Bangalore. This is for 4 to 7 years experience. And what is the primary requirement? Maybe this is not suitable for someone who is not having any genuine experience. But those who are having at least 1 or 2 years of genuine experience, yes, you can try this. And aerial telecom solutions, 5 to 10 years. Again, this is for JMeter, LoadRunner, and any monitoring tool. And yeah, of course, this is 5 to 10 years. Okay, this is suitable for someone who is having at least 2 to 3 years of genuine experience. Only they can manage. Qualizil, I think this is also for, one of my previous organization. So this is for 5 to 10 years of experience. Experian Kochi, 5 to 10 years, minimum of 5+ years of experience. Guys, so if their requirement is for 5 to 10 years, if that is suitable for those who are having at least 2 years of genuine experience. 2 to 5 years, yes. You can see here, hiring of this. This is a remote position means work from home. I believe it is work from home. And what is their requirement? I'm looking at the tools. Rather than tools, they are looking for someone. Maybe they are looking for someone who is good in concepts. They are not bothered about the tool, right? That's why they did not mention the tool here. But mostly it will be LoadRunner or JMeter or both, right? However, you have some companies, organizations which are looking for, which are ready to take, 2 years experience guys also, right? So note down this Intone Networks. You might have received this email, Naukri alerts email. So don't miss to apply that. Okay. And one more opening for 3 to 7 years experience, Pune-based company. What is this? iValua. Okay. So 3+ years of experience in SQL. Yes. So SQL, strong proficiency with SQL 2017 and above. Yes. So this is this is the minimum thing, guys. Those who want to try as a performance test engineer, you should have some basic knowledge for any company, not just, of course, this company is expecting someone who is having strong proficiency with SQL. So, however, any organization like expect you to have some basic knowledge on SQL. And that is why, we cover the SQL basics also in the training. Okay. So please, if you are looking for any training on performance testing, please ping me on my WhatsApp number. I can share the course contents. Okay. I can share the course contents document. And we do cover these in all the batches, like, whether you join LoadRunner or JMeter. So we do cover these, SQL basics, Linux basics in all the batches. And last one for today in Naukri. Again, one more opening for 2 to 5 years, guys. Right? And who said that, there are no openings, guys? So you can see how many openings we have even for 2 years of experience, right? So expertise in load testing tools like JMeter, SQL queries. Yes, basic SQL knowledge is enough, guys. You need not be an expert in SQL queries. You need not learn inner joins, outer joins, Cartesian joins, and all those. Those are not required. Those are not mandatory. And of course, yes, heap dump, thread dump. They mentioned it here because the experience range they are looking for is 2 to 5 years. But believe me, like for 2 years experience or 3 years experience, they will not expect you to be good in heap dump or thread dump GC analysis. There will be always seniors, or team leads or project leads who will be doing that. So as the experience range is 2 to 5 years, yes, you can expect this. But don't get, of course, you can, there are a lot of, free tools for doing this heap dump analysis. I did one session on that as well, and I believe it is uploaded as a public video. I'll share that link as well in the description part on this heap dump and thread dump analysis. But this is not mandatory for 2 years experience, guys. Okay. If you are good in performance testing concepts and LoadRunner and JMeter or any one tool, for 2 years experience, one tool is enough, guys. Okay. That's what I tell in all the demos. If you want to try with 2 years of experience, yes, any one tool is enough. If you want to go with one tool, better go for JMeter. But if you want to try with 3+ years of experience, LoadRunner and JMeter are mandatory, guys. You will be eligible for any openings, right? And you would not miss these kind of openings, in Quintally, where they conducted, 5 drives in consecutively in 2 months, right? You wouldn't have missed those openings in Quintally. Okay. If you Quintally and Capgemini is having a lot of openings on LoadRunner. In fact, companies are unable to find enough number of resources on LoadRunner base because everyone is running after JMeter. You can see here there are some openings that we shared for 2 to 8 years experience. Okay. Right. And now coming back to the like the Naukri openings, guys, you may be wondering, what profile that I, for which profile I'm getting these openings. Okay. Let me quickly show you that, guys. Let me quickly show you that I created one, I had, uploaded one profile just for, to get these openings. Let me show you those openings, guys. Okay. It's a regular, regular and normal profile. Let me show you, like what skill set I kept, what organization I kept. And in fact, I'm also getting calls. even though I am not updating my profile regularly. Second, guys. Seems like some issue with Naukri, guys. I am unable to log into my Naukri profile and Naukri account to show the profile. I will show it in the next session, guys. So I am planning to make daily videos on these openings. So, like I will definitely I'll show my profile. I will give a walkthrough of my profile also. And believe me, guys, now, this is just about openings in Naukri. How about openings on LinkedIn, guys? On LinkedIn, you will see 3 to 4 times of these openings, right? That is a known fact that, most of the companies are using LinkedIn nowadays for recruitment. So I believe everyone is having a LinkedIn profile. So please be active on LinkedIn also if you want to receive triple or quadruple the openings that you are getting on Naukri, right? And all the best, guys, for your job search. For those who are in job search, all the best. So, please subscribe and turn on all notifications on my YouTube channel if you want to receive, these daily IT job openings, performance testing job openings, guys. I am planning to make videos on, daily openings, right? And if you have any queries, please post it in the comment section, and or please ping me on my WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp number, guys. Right, here is my WhatsApp number. Please save my WhatsApp number, guys. Otherwise, you will not get notifications, or you will not see the links on of my demo sessions, etc., which I share it through our the WhatsApp. Right, so please save this WhatsApp number, and all the best for your job search. And if you like our efforts, right now it is around 11 o'clock. So as I'm not getting time during the daytime, because I know we are running 3 batches currently. So I am making this video at this time. So if you like our efforts, and we have been gathering openings from multiple sources, LinkedIn, referral openings, and Naukri and all this. So please follow our Insta page, guys. Anyways, this is free, absolutely free, right? So please follow our Insta page, like if you want to receive this uh, daily openings, guys. Okay, particularly referral openings. Okay, we are not sharing any Naukri openings here, but we are sharing referral openings, and some openings which we gather, which we are gathering through LinkedIn and other sources. Okay, LinkedIn, and through our friends who are working in other companies, right? So we are gathering a lot of openings and sharing it over here. Not only performance testing, but other automation testing, C++, you can see here, right? Java openings, etc., etc., DevOps openings, and all this. All right, guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Good night, guys, and see you in the next video. By the way, guys, forgot to tell you something. So let me quickly show you our MGMITTraining classroom. We are offering both online and offline training. Let me quickly show you our MGMITTraining classroom, and we also recently started one batch in Madhapur. Madhapur batch, here you can see here. Yes, this is our training room in Madhapur. It is having limited capacity of only 15 members. So right now one batch is running over there from morning 9 to 10 a.m. So this is for working employees, those who are working in manual testing and the non-IT job in and around Madhapur. So we started one batch for those guys. So and also the batch timing was fixed at from 9 to 10, so that you can attend the training and you can go to your job, those who are already working, right? And let me quickly show you our Amirpet classroom also, guys. Please give me a moment. Our Amirpet classroom also close to Amirpet metro station. So all our branches will be close to metro stations, guys. For the convenience of commuting and all, right? So very close to metro station. So our Amirpet classroom is adjacent to Amirpet metro station. You step down the Amirpet metro station, step down from the Amirpet metro station, and the very next, like within 50 meters, you will have our, our building entrance. Let me quickly show you that place. 1 second. Yeah. Our Amirpet classroom, guys, very spacious and having 40 to 50 seating capacity and close to Amirpet metro station. Hardly 50 meters away from Amirpet metro. Okay, this is in Vasvi MPM Grant, by the way. Let me quickly show you the address as well. You can, I hope it is quite opposite to South India Shopping Mall. Just give me a moment, guys. Please give me a moment. I'll share the address and all. Yeah, here it is. So here is our Amirpet Institute address. It is in fifth floor, Vasvi MPM Grand, uh, very adjacent to Amirpet metro station and quite opposite to South India Shopping Mall. Okay. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. And yeah, catch you up in the next session. This is Pawan from MGMIT Training signing off for now. Bye bye.